We take issues with that, gagotically. The only way we could be slaves is if God can be a slave. So every black person now called Gagotian must never use that word slave. And the word Africa, we have to ease out of it into Gagutia, the land of Gaga, which now takes us back to the Ma land, the land of intelligence. Gagutia means the same thing, the land of ultimate intelligence. That's the land formerly called Africa. It's now called Gagutia. So all the sons and daughters home and abroad of Gagutia are now called Gagutians. Gagutia. Praise God. Praise God is right. They're now Gagutians, home and abroad. You want to just stuck in the American part of it, Gagutian American, that's fine. The African American, you are Gagutian American. If there's any reason to just do different, otherwise you're Gagutian. Doesn't matter where you are. So, same to Caribbean, Brazil, South America, everywhere in Europe, you are Gagutians. You are the creatures that God revealed Gagut through. God revealed Gagut through you. That has to be identified, just like your Ma, the Ma civilization. You are the set of creatures that are identified first and foremost with intelligence. And so you do business with intelligence. So that is the new God order. So today we celebrate the Gagutian Women's Day, or Gagutian Mother's Day, with the deepest possible spirituality. Remember my mother as well. Okumaji is my mother's name. Okumaji. Okumaji. Oku means death, or the one that is dead. You only bury. Maji means you bury. You only bury the dead. That's the name my grandmother gave to my mother. Because my mother came out so sickly. She was the last child from my grandmother. And she came out so sickly. Nobody thought she was going to survive. And sometimes when my grandmother would wake up in the morning, she would think she was dead. You know, my mother was dead. And by the time she touches her and everything, you know, she will see her breathing and everything. Wow, I thought you were dead. You know, so that's how she got the name, Okumaji. You know, you only bury the dead. No, it doesn't matter how sickly a person, you can't bury them. You understand? But my grandmother was also very powerful. Like I said, her personality and her build is like a Lena Horne. You know, slender and beautiful. At 110, she was cooking rice perfectly. I know that. I ate that rice myself. You know, that was the kind of treat we got when we visited grandma. You know, and so she was a pediatrician. You know, of course, that was part of the miracle of keeping my mother alive. So she's been celebrated along with these other legends. There's any number. There was a sister that was just slaughtered by ignorance in Ohio in front of her son. It's one of those legends. We also talk about the mothers that were destroyed, humiliated, and dumped in Atlantic Ocean, about 50 plus million of them. They are all being celebrated. Those who are going through any number of disrespects in this system and other systems, those who were raped and all kinds of horrors done to them, both in English, Spanish, or Portuguese camps and elsewhere in Arabic, they are being respected, and their glory shines today and forever. Those are the, praise God, those are the holiest members of the preachers. They continue to do miracles. They're extremely powerful. God has ordered us to celebrate them in the holiest possible way. And today everybody must pay respects, deep respect to every mother, every Gagutian woman around you. And in the words of Tupac, you tell them, mother, you are appreciated. That's what you tell every Gagutian woman that you see today. Tell her she's very, very much appreciated. And today is her day. Give that in lieu of flowers to show her love. Because individually and collectively, they gave birth to me by order of God. And in the process become the mothers of GAGUT, G-I-J, comma J equal to 0. That's why they earn the holiest type of respect.
That's amazing.
That's right. That's only the beginning.